Hello, today I want to work with a combination of collage and acrylic, so stay with me. First, let me say that I love collages, because it's like a game. Before starting, I flip through magazines. Sometimes I choose the topic beforehand, and sometimes the magazine images guide me in choosing a theme. Today, I was flipping through a magazine, and I felt that by choosing this piece from the magazine, I can create an interesting portrait. For drawing a face, first, you need to draw the centerline of the face. This line helps you draw other parts of the face more accurately. For instance, in this drawing, the face is not entirely front-facing, and you need to indicate the angle of rotation of the face with this line, like this. Alright, now we draw the lines where the eyes should be placed inside. Now, we delineate the lower part of the nose with a line. Now, we mark the centerline of the lips with a line. I'm painting the face in this work without a model, so I'll exaggerate other details, meaning I might not follow the design rules, like drawing small lips or large eyes. So, stay with me to understand how the work progresses. Dear friends, please subscribe to my channel and enable the notification bell to stay updated with the latest videos. Also, like the video so that it can be shown to others as well. Before coloring, I want to collage the clothes as well, for which we need these tools: greaseproof paper, carbon paper, and color paper. First, we place the greaseproof paper on the work surface and draw with a pencil the part we want to collage. Then we place the greaseproof paper on colored paper and put carbon paper underneath it, and we transfer the pattern onto the colored paper by copying. Now, we cut out this part and glue it onto the work surface. Well, now I'm starting with acrylic painting. For those who don't know what acrylic is, please read the description section below the video. Dear friends, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please write in the comments what painting tools you'd like me to use for the next videos. I love you all, and goodbye until the next video.